What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Samsung has started pushing out the first ever update for the Galaxy Watch 7 series. Yes, this is the first update we have got since the launch, and this update is very important because this brings in some stability improvements for the battery on your Galaxy Watch 7 as well as Galaxy Watch Ultra. So if you're new to Samsung Galaxy Watches, let's go ahead and check out how exactly you can install these updates. All you need to do is just go to the wearable application and go to watch settings here and tap on Watch Software Update. You can scroll down to the bottom, you'll see Watch Software Update option. Tap on this and tap on Download and Install. If the update is available in your region, you will see this particular page. Now the update schedule may vary depending on the region. Now in my country, I have already received this update. As you can see, the size is about 173.51 MB. The version number ends with AXG2 and the security patch level is June 2024, which was already there. Now let's look at the changelog here. It says stability and reliability. Battery charging stability has been improved. Battery stability has been improved. Overall device stability has been improved. Now this is very important update because the battery charging speeds could improve with this particular update. We have seen these watches taking close to about 1 hour 45 minutes to 2 hours with this 10-watt charger that we have got, and it is a bit annoying to see these latest watches taking so much of time. Maybe with this update the charging speed may improve. I'm not very sure about that. I will have to test it after installing this update. In the changelog, it is clearly mentioned that the battery charging stability has been improved and battery stability has been improved. Now this could mean there will be some improvements with respect to the battery charging, and the battery performance could also improve with this all new update. So make sure you install this particular update. Now I have checked this update on the Galaxy Watch 7. I've also got the Galaxy Watch Ultra here. Let me check the update for this as well. Let me keep the watch aside for some time. Let's check the update for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now I will go back here and I will connect Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let me tap on Watch Ultra. Okay, now Watch Ultra is connected. Now let's go to watch settings. I will tap on software update and tap on download and install. Let's see if there is an update for the Ultra. Generally for the LTE variants, we don't get the update on time. First we get the update for the Bluetooth version, and then later after a few days we get the update for the LTE variants. Yes, there is no update for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. You see it says watch is up to date. At the moment, we have got the update only for the Galaxy Watch 7, at least in my region. Maybe in the West, in some of the countries in Europe or in the US, you might have seen the update for the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra as well. So if it is available, you can go ahead and download and install the update for your Ultra as well. Now you need to have minimum 30% battery. Once the watch is updated, it will automatically get transferred to the watch, and you can just tap on install button to install the update. That's all you need to do to get all these latest updates. Now at the moment, I'm getting a battery performance of about 1.5 day plus on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, while the LTE is turned on without the power saving mode, with all the health centric features turned on and with the health centric feature set to manual. That is the kind of battery life I'm getting on the Watch Ultra, and if I turn on the power saving mode, this is going to give me at least about 2.5 to 3 days of battery performance with all the health centric features on. Now as far as the battery life on the Galaxy Watch 7 is concerned, I'm getting close to about 2 days. This is the Bluetooth variant that I've got. I'm getting close to about 1 day, 17 to 18 hours on this watch without the power saving mode, with always on display turned off, with all the health centric features turned on, and on power saving mode I'm getting close to about 2.5 days plus on this particular watch with health centric features turned on, and without health centric features probably almost about 3 days I'm going to get on this watch as well. So far the battery life has been very good on these two watches, and with this update the battery life should improve. So let's wait and see that. I will test the battery again on these two watches and then come back to you guys with the battery performance results after this update. So stay tuned for that. That is all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. I have already posted a few videos about the Galaxy Watch Ultra, Watch 7 tips and tricks and battery performance results, etc. If you're interested, go ahead and check out the channel. There will be a lot more contents coming up on these watches, so stay tuned and be sure to subscribe. And if you're interested in this particular home screen wallpaper, I have left a link for that in the description. Go ahead, check the link, download the wallpaper if you like it, and hit the like button if you find this video informative, and be sure to subscribe to the channel to know your Galaxy phone and Galaxy watches better. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan, signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.